Welcome back to another episode of Crazy Hot Action Stuck on the Beach.
On here.
Yeah, I can carry them. Get 4 waters actually.
That's hot action, baby.
Commercial Corny's got his new wetsuit.
Getting a drink of water.
Emma's got her hash brown ready to go. We don't drink waters, we drink monsters around here. Oh yeah, baby, we're gonna have some hot action today. Look how calm it is. We're taking Corny, Biddy, Emma. We got the whole crew going out on this little guy today. What are we going to get?
What are we going to get?
Some hot action. That's all we're going to get.
These spears are longer than the boat.
Can we all fit in here?
Yep.
There's gonna be some crazy hot action. Corny's got his wetsuit on, ready to go.
Andrew's stuff fits me like a glove.
All right, we're out here. We got Biddy and Emma on captain duty. It's cold as a willy jib. Corny's got his wetsuit on. Biddy's on the tiller. Emma's on fish grabbing duty. It's about to be some hot action out here. It's calm, it's clear. Let's hope we get them. All right, it's cold as a willy bob, oh my God. Biddy. No. Pull him in, pull him in. Pull him, pull him, pull him. Pull him, pull him, pull him. We got some hot action here. Pull him in, pull him in. Pull him in. Woo! What do you got? Is the GoPro recording? No.
I don't know. How do I know?
Is it blinking red?
No.
Is the screen on?
I don't see a screen.
The front screen.
Yeah?
Yeah. We got some hot action there. You're doing good. Hold him up, Emma. All right, we've been in a couple minutes. I shot one hogfish. Corny shot one little 91. Biddy, what do we got back there?
Hogfish.
Let's see him.
Well, as soon as
We got some hot action here, baby. Look at that, mama.
Bite in my hand.
What is that?
that's a rooster.
Rooster of hogfish here. Hot action with Corny and Biddy and Emma. All right, put him in the, let's see him. Oh, this was a spooky baby here. We had to chase him about a mile.
His tail just hanging out.
Corny in the water by himself. Biddy's seasick. Let's see what he'll bring up this time. We got a lot of stuff in this little guy. Where is he? Oh, I see him. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, here we go. We got some hot action now.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Woo! Corny's got some hot action here, baby. That's what I'm talking about. What do you got? Nice yellowfin.
Baby.
Nice yeller, baby. Woo!
Hot action.
Look at that. Throw him in, Corny.
Oh!
Whoa, on my phone. Woo! That's a nice yellowfin, Corny.
That's where it's at.
Let's see. Hold him up, Corny. What do we got? Beautiful yellowfin.
yeller.
Commercial Corny. Beautiful fish. Got Cordy from Nassau. I just shot this nice hogfish. Cordy got himself a nice yellowfin out here in the mini panga on the meat. See if we can fit in that cooler, Cordy.
I don't think so.
We didn't bring the big cooler. We got a whoa. We got a problem here. We had to cut him in half.
He doesn't quite fit.
Oh, whoa. Jeez. Alright, Betty's geared up. Emma's geared up. Ready for some hot action? Corny just blew it on a big black grouper. It's been a crazy day. Crazy hot action all day long. We got some clowns over here trying to get on our spots. We got some hot action. Commercial Cordy in the boat. Put him in the boat. Put him in the boat. Give me another spear. There's another one. We got some hot action here, baby. Nice female hoggy. Oh my god, the shoots in my eye.
Yeah, that's what you get.
Oh my god. It's so cold.
Yeah, that water is cold.
Corny taking us home. We're forgetting a bit of the cooler, he's too big.
Far away from the camera.
Oh. Oh. Oh, we got some hot action. Here we go. Watch out. We got some more.
What's the juice?
And you guys ready for this?
No!
Bugs are bad, knives are dull. It's hot. Alright, we're changing up the game on y'all now. We got Corny out here ready to go, geared up again. Everyone here again, the whole crew. We're going to get some Aweo Aweos, baby. We're going to get some Aweo Aweos now.
Bitching out there.
It's bitchin'. Corny, what are you making?
Making an Aweo spear.
Heard a lot about these Aweo Aweos. Not sure how they taste, but we're about to find out. What if they're what? I don't know. Hopefully not. There's so much sand at my feet. We got some. Alright, here goes nothing. We're on the Aweo Aweo machine heading out. Cordy's got the Aweo Aweo, baby. What do you got, Cordy? We got some hot Aweo Aweo action right here, baby. Look at that. We are on them now. Aweo, baby. We got out. Whoa, Cordy's got a crawfish. We got two Aweo. Hey, Cody, what's in your pocket? Ah! Alright, we just got in. We got some hot Aweo action, baby. Double Aweos. We got him good.
You're about to lose the spear, the spear.
It's cold. It's
Don't dig yourself down.
woo! We got four-wheel drive, baby. All right, we're back at the cleaning station. Gonna clean up one of these Aweo Aweo, see how they taste. Maybe cook it up tonight, we'll see. Some crawfish. Alright, first piece of Aweo meat right here. Bunch of Aweo action right here. Big fillet. Big fillet right. Alright, we got the first batch of Aweo coming out. Howie. Jowie. Looks good, huh, Merle?
Why am I the guinea pig for this?
See that meat? White?
It's white, flaky meat. It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Well, it's enough of that Jowie action.
It's sweet and flaky.
We'll see you guys on the next episode of Coyote Fishing. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking. Keep doing it. Keep it going. We got more Aweo coming up. More commercial corny will be in the next videos.